Crash Course, the Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert in Chile is a place of breathtaking beauty and awe-inspiring landscapes. It is known as the driest non-polar desert in the world, with vast expanses of arid land stretching for miles. In this crash course on the Atacama Desert, we will delve into its unique features, share captivating stories, and explore the top 12 attractions that make this desert a must-visit destination. 1. Valle de la Luna, Moon Valley. As its name suggests, Valle de la Luna resembles the surface of the Moon, with its otherworldly rock formations and rugged terrain. Visitors can explore the vast salt flats, sand dunes, and stunning rock formations that create a surreal and mesmerizing landscape. 2. Salar de Atacama, Atacama Salt Flat. The Atacama Salt Flat is the largest salt flat in Chile and is a sight to behold. Its crystalline salt formations, salt lagoons, and pink flamingos create a mesmerizing contrast against the arid desert backdrop. 3. El Tatio Geysers. El Tatio geysers are one of the highest elevation geyser fields in the world. Watching the geysers erupt in the early morning hours, with steam rising against the backdrop of the Andean peaks, is a truly unforgettable experience. 4. Lagunas Altiplanicas, high-altitude lagoons. These stunning lagoons, such as Miscanti and Miñix, are nestled amidst the Andean plateau and offer breathtaking views of turquoise waters surrounded by snow-capped peaks. The vibrant colors and serene ambiance make it a photographer's paradise. 5. Laguna Sahar, Sahar Lagoon. Laguna Sahar is a unique lagoon where visitors can float effortlessly due to its high salt concentration. The sensation of floating on the surface of the water, coupled with the picturesque surroundings, creates a surreal experience. 6. Tadio Hot Springs. After witnessing the geysers, visitors can unwind and relax in the soothing Tadio Hot Springs. Surrounded by the rugged beauty of the desert, these natural hot springs offer a rejuvenating experience. 7. Rainbow Valley, Valle del Arcoiris. Rainbow Valley is aptly named for its vibrant hues created by mineral deposits on the mountainsides. The array of colors, ranging from red and green to purple and yellow, creates a mesmerizing and surreal landscape. 8. Astronomical observatories. The Atacama Desert is home to several world-class astronomical observatories due to its exceptionally clear and unpolluted skies. Stargazing enthusiasts can visit these observatories to witness the wonders of the universe. 9. Atacama Desert Flora and Fauna. Contrary to its barren appearance, the Atacama Desert is home to a surprising variety of plant and animal species adapted to its extreme conditions. From unique cacti and desert flowers to elusive wildlife like vicuñas and foxes, the desert teems with life. 10. San Pedro de Atacama. San Pedro de Atacama is a charming desert town that serves as the gateway to the Atacama Desert. Its adobe buildings, bustling markets, and vibrant culture provide a glimpse into the local way of life and offer a comfortable base for exploring the region. 11. Garganta del Diablo, Devil's Throat. Garganta del Diablo is a narrow canyon carved by the forces of nature over millions of years. The sheer rock walls and rushing water create a dramatic and awe-inspiring sight. 12. Geoglyphs of Chug Chug. The geoglyphs of Chug Chug are ancient rock carvings etched into the desert floor, depicting various animals, shapes, and symbols. These enigmatic creations offer insight into the region's ancient cultures and their connection with the desert. In summary, the Atacama Desert is a place of wonder, with its ethereal landscapes, unique geological formations, and a rich tapestry of flora, fauna, and cultural heritage. Whether you're marveling at the lunar-like valleys, soaking in natural hot springs, or exploring ancient rock carvings, the Atacama Desert promises an unforgettable adventure. Bridge. In the land of Atacama, where dreams are born. A desert of wonders, a place to adorn. From lunar valleys to geysers high. The Atacama Desert, where beauty lies. Chorus. Oh, Atacama, vast and sublime. A tapestry of desert, a moment frozen in time. The salt flats glisten, the geysers erupt. In the heart of the desert, our spirits interrupt. Outro. As you explore this desert land, with its mysteries and stories grand, embrace the solitude, let your spirit soar. In the Atacama Desert, forevermore. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $AID =7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.